10 indestructible flowering machines. Flowers that last for 3 generations. This is the ever-blooming desert rose. Its large belly is filled with water and nutrients. It can survive for months without food or water. Much easier to care for than a cactus. Just give it plenty of sunlight and minimal watering, and soon, it will bloom abundantly. Rank 9. Lily of the Valley, also known as the perfume flower. The whole house is filled with the scent of high-end perfume. Even your neighbors will enjoy its fragrance. It's incredibly easy to care for, not picky about its environment or soil, and it thrives with just a little water, and it will bloom year after year. Portulacaria, Afra, elephant bush. It has a strong root system and is extremely easy to care for. That helps with relaxation and sleep, absorbing carbon dioxide, a natural air purifier that never needs charging. When in full bloom, it gives off a rich, spreading its scent to the entire neighborhood. Rank 7. Jasmine. This new variety, weeping jasmine, with flower clusters reaching up to half a meter long, it thrives in warm, partially shaded environments. After planting, to help it grow upward, by October, it starts blooming and continues until late spring. Rank 6. Orange jasmine, Maria paniculata. When in bloom, it fills the house with the scent of luxury perfume. Even neighbors can smell it. It withstands frost in winter and intense sun in summer. Keeping it indoors not only adds a zen-like atmosphere, but also purifies the air. Most importantly, and enjoy flowers every year. Rank 5. Goldfish plant. It releases large amounts of oxygen at night, absorbing household pollutants, which helps improve sleep. Its flowers resemble tiny goldfish swimming through seaweed. It requires little maintenance, just a bit of water to survive. Stays green all year round from a single tiny seed. Scatter it on doorsteps, balconies, and by the following year, you'll have a wall of flowers, available in a variety of colors. It has a long blooming period with diverse flower forms. Now is the perfect time to plant it. Leptospermum scoparium tea tree. It blooms every single day of the year. This plant is both heat and cold resistant. Each blooming cycle produces thousands of flowers. Its vibrant colors and intricate petals make it a stunning sight. Oncidium dancing lady orchid. When it blooms, the entire house is filled with a rich, milky fragrance. It's not picky about its environment or soil. Just water it, and it will thrive. If you have trouble sleeping, place one in your bedroom. It has an exceptionally long blooming period, lasting over 90 days each year. A flower of elegance and grandeur. Its blooms can be larger than a hand, quickly transforming any space into a romantic floral paradise. Most importantly, and enjoy flowers year after year.